In this video, I'll show you how to update the software on your Garmin Forerunner. So let's get straight into it, and there's two different methods we can use to do this. The first is by using the physical watch, and all you need to do is tilt the watch on its side like so, and you'll see this middle button on the left hand side. So what we're going to do is just hold down this middle button for a couple of seconds, and that's going to go ahead and bring up the settings menu. Then from here, we can use the touch screen to scroll all the way down. Keep coming all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see this option for system. Click on this, then scroll down again until you find an option for software update and select this. Right at the top, you'll see auto update, and you can either toggle this on or off. I'd recommend keeping this on, and that way when there are pending updates, it's going to go ahead and install them automatically for you, and that way your watch always remains fully up to date. It's also a good idea to click on this check for updates button at the bottom just to ensure we are running the latest software for our device. So that's the first method you can use to update your Garmin software. The second method is just by heading over to your iPhone, and from here you need to make sure you have the Garmin app installed on your phone, and you need to ensure that it's connected to your watch. Then we're going to launch up the application like so. Click on more in the bottom right hand side, and then just scroll down to Garmin devices and select this. Then just click on your Garmin watch from the list. As long as you have it linked, it should be displayed here. So mine's this Forerunner at the top. I'm going to select that. Then scroll down to system and click on this. Scroll down to software update, and once again you'll be able to check for updates inside of here and also toggle auto update on or off. So it's just another way of basically accessing this updating software feature. And that's it, guys. That's how you update your Garmin Forerunner. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.